Number two, warning notice is issued to a registered medical practitioner. Now, I know very well that majority of you must have answered A. Majority of you have answered A. I tell you clearly, always I used to tell in the class that there is difference between warning and warning notice. There is difference between warning and warning notice. Now, what is warning notice? Look here. Warning notice is just nothing but code of conduct prescribed by the medical council, maybe state medical council or national medical commission. See, after completion of your MBBS and internship, you are supposed to go for permanent registration. The time the SMC issue one small booklet, and there it is mentioned as a doctor what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do. That is known as warning notice. And if at all you don't follow the warning notice, or if you violate the warning notice, it amounts to professional misconduct. And as I told you, it is issued to all the doctors at the time of registration. At the time of registration. So remember, warning notice is no way concerned with disciplinary action taken by the State Medical Council or National Medical Commission. Now, let me speak on what are the disciplinary control taken by State Medical Council or National Medical Commission. Remember, usually, State Medical Council takes disciplinary action, but sometimes, on rare occasion, straight away, NMC may take disciplinary action. Okay, now here, disciplinary action may be taken when a doctor is convicted by a court of law involving moral turpitude like rape, murder, waging war against the country. Or if somebody lodges a complaint against a doctor to the State Medical Council or NMC, or of its own, that is suo motu, then there are three types of disciplinary action. Disciplinary action. Number one, warning. Now we know the difference between warning and warning notice. Warning notice is the code of conduct, whereas warning is the disciplinary action. Okay. Number two, monetary penalty in the form of money. Fine. Somewhat fine. Okay. Number three, penal erasure. Penal erasure means the doctor is penalized by removal of his name from the medical register. And this penal erasure may be temporary, maybe for a period of 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or it may be permanent. That means throughout his life, he cannot practice medicine at all. That is known as professional death sentence. At the same time, here, if the doctor is not happy, then what he can do? He can go for two appeals. The first appeal to the Ethics and Medical Registration Board under NMC. And again, if he is not happy, then he can go for the second appeal to National Medical Commission. National Medical Commission. Of course, if only warning, nobody will appeal. Or he just listen and come back. Okay. And meantime, in India, against the State Medical Council, doctor can also appeal to the High Court, or against the Ethics and Medical Registration Board, or against the NMC, he can appeal to the Supreme Court. Okay. Now, you got the answer. The warning notice is issued to a registered medical practitioner for none of the above, because it is issued to all the doctors at the time of registration. You got it? Keep that in your mind firmly. Okay. Now,